So good day guys, it's lunchtime here, so I'm gonna have simple dish. I'm gonna cook some pasta, Amke's pasta, and use some Greek feta cheese. You know, Greek feta cheese is the best cheese in the whole wide world. So here, I put it in a saucepan, put about 1 liter of water, 1 centimeter thick butter, salt, and vegeta, and bring it to the boil. So when the water has come to the boil, pour in 250 grams of pasta. Any pasta is fine, any pasta, But I'm using these boys at the moment, so any pasta is fine. So cook it, I don't know how long. So cook the pasta for 8 minutes, says it on the back, 8 minutes, And you gotta stir it like that, so they don't stick, So guys, always try, before you think it's cooked, try it, So the pasta is cooked, clean it up, empty the water, And then so put it in the bowl, big bowl, the pasta, and then you're gonna use some feta cheese. You're gonna grind some feta cheese on this type, this grinder. You're gonna grind some feta cheese on there. So right here, I made a bit of a mess, you see. Bloody mess, But it's good to try, You can try Amke's kitchen. So there you go. Amke's pasta and Greek feta cheese. Yummy, beautiful. Amke's pasta and Greek feta cheese. Greek feta cheese is the best. So Amke's kitchen. Woo! Thanks guys for watching. See you later.